Welcome back to Dollar Mint Old Coin, where we explore the fascinating stories and values behind rare coins from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of the 20 centimes 1970 French coin. Could this small, unassuming coin really be worth $800? Stick around to find out the truth and learn what makes certain coins so valuable in the collector's market. Before we get into its value, let's uncover the history of this coin. The 20 centimes coin was introduced in France in 1962 as part of the Fifth Republic's currency system. Made of aluminum bronze, it features Marianne, the national emblem of France, on one side, symbolizing liberty and reason. The reverse displays a beautiful olive branch, a wheat sprig, and the denomination. But what about the 1970 version? It's a part of this series that ran from 1962 to 2001, but certain years, like 1970, are of special interest to collectors. Now, let's talk about what gives a coin like the 20 centimes from 1970 its value. Coin collectors, also known as numismatists, evaluate coins based on several factors. 1. Rarity. The fewer coins minted, the rarer they are. 2. Condition. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition fetch higher prices. 3. Demand. A coin's popularity among collectors increases its worth. 4. Errors. Minting errors, like misstrikes or doubling, can significantly boost a coin's value. For the 20 centimes 1970, its rarity and condition play a major role in its estimated worth. So, is the claim of this coin being worth $800 fact or fiction? Let's break it down. 1. Auction prices. Some coins from 1970 have sold for hundreds of dollars, but these are often graded by professional organizations like NGC or PCGS. 2. Error coins. If your coin has a rare minting error, it could indeed reach such high prices. 3. Misleading listings. Some online sellers exaggerate prices to attract buyers. Be careful where you look. In most cases, a 20 centimes 1970 in average condition is worth around $1 to $5. However, in pristine, uncirculated condition or with errors, the value could soar. Want to know if your coin is worth $800? Here's how to check. 1. Inspect for errors. Look for misaligned text, doubling, or other anomalies. Use a magnifying glass. 2. Grade your coin. Grading determines condition. Uncirculated coins are shiny, with no scratches. 3. Research recent sales. Check auction sites like eBay or Heritage Auctions to see what similar coins have sold. 4. Consult experts. Visit a coin dealer or send your coin to a grading service like PCGS or NGC.so. Can the 20 centimes 1970 really be worth $800? In rare cases, yes. But for most people, it's a fascinating piece of history rather than a ticket to fortune. Now, it's your turn. Check your old coin collection and let us know if you have this coin or others you'd like to know more about. Leave a comment below with your coin's details, and I might feature it in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dollar Mint Old Coin, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of rare coins.